question. When progress slows down in your business, do you notice it comes back to you? Like projects stall until you weigh in. Your teams can't move forward without your approval. And sometimes you feel like you're carrying the whole operation on your back. Like, if this sounds familiar, you might be experiencing something most CEOs and leaders don't like to admit. See, you've become the bottleneck. And I know the struggle well because I've seen it in boardrooms and businesses across industries. I'm Rolanda, Michele, a business strategist and consultant specializing in operational efficiencies. And yes, for years, I've helped CEOs and executives identify where bottlenecks live in their organizations and remove them so growth can become sustainable. And here's the thing. It's not because you're not smart enough, capable enough, or driven enough. In fact, it's usually the opposite. You've just been so involved, so hands-on that everything flows through you. But let me ask you, how does that feel? The late nights, the constant decision fatigue, and the sense that your business should be further ahead by now. The truth is, when leaders become the bottleneck, growth doesn't just slow down, opportunities get missed. So your team gets frustrated and you get exhausted, and the very business you built to give you freedom starts running you instead of the other way around. Now let's take a moment right here. Let's imagine if things look different. Let's do a what if. What if your team could take ownership and drive execution without waiting for you? Systems and operations supported growth instead of stalling it. And you, you had the clarity, the scalability, and breathing room to focus on vision, not firefighting. See, that is what happens when the bottlenecks are removed, right? When you remove those bottlenecks. This is exactly why I created the CEO Operations Health Check Toolkit. It's a free resource linked in the description below to help you uncover where the real bottlenecks exist in your business. Because here's the reality. When you see it clearly, you can fix it. And when you fix it, you unlock growth, profitability, and freedom at a whole new level. Okay. So here's my invitation. Grab the toolkit, walk through the assessment, and see for yourself where those hidden gaps are. And when you're ready to go deeper, that's where the business optimization intensive comes in. Where you and I, we work together, not just to diagnose those bottlenecks, but to remove them. But the first step is just downloading the free toolkit today. The link is in the description below. Your future self will thank you for it.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and follow me, Rolanda Michele, on most social media platforms for more ways to optimize your business and reclaim your time. Grab your free resources in the link below, and I'll see you next video.